The 2025 Audi A4 marks the final chapter for this iconic luxury sedan, as Audi plans to transition its lineup, replacing the A4 with the A5 series in the coming years. Citroën turbocharged 4. In this final iteration, the A4 boasts a more powerful 45 TFSI engine, delivering 261 horsepower and 273 lb-ft of torque. This turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine is paired with a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission, providing a dynamic driving experience. Citroën turbocharged 5. Audi has enhanced the A4's standard features for 2025. All trims now come equipped with remote start and an integrated toll module, adding convenience for drivers. Citroën turbocharged 6. Aesthetic updates include black exterior trim and a new 18-inch wheel design. Additionally, the new S-Line Plus package offers black exterior accents, dark exhaust tips, and 19-inch wheels, giving the A4 a sportier appearance. Citroën turbocharged 1. Inside, the A4 continues to impress with its impeccably constructed cabin, advanced and user-friendly tech features, and spacious rear seating that comfortably accommodates adults. Citroën turbocharged 5. As the automotive landscape shifts towards SUVs and electric vehicles, the discontinuation of the A4 reflects Audi's strategic move to streamline its model lineup. Enthusiasts who appreciate the blend of performance, luxury, and technology that the A4 offers may find this final model year particularly appealing. Citroën turbocharged 5. In summary, the 2025 Audi A4 represents the culmination of years of refinement, offering a compelling package for those seeking a luxury sedan with a balance of performance and comfort. With its enhanced features and powerful engine, it stands as a testament to Audi's commitment to quality and innovation.